Good afternoon, class. On today's practical session will be conducted. On that practical number 1 and 2 is that set up a Java programming development environment and test using small program. First of all, this is the lab manual. I am to sending in a WhatsApp group. First of all, this I hope that I download it. Your manual. In previous semester, how to you bring one notebook, in that write down, same here on this semester also write down. This is the CO, course outcome matrix. In that first practical is that set up a Java programming development environment by using command prompt or any other Eclipse, JCreator, etc. We use the command prompt. Okay, this practical is matched with or mapped with first CO, that is develop program using object oriented methodologies in Java. These are the practicalist. Total 32 practicals are there. After that, the content page. We start the practical number 1 and 2 combined with 1. I am already one video will be created for installing the JDK, how to install the JDK. And to that link will be shared in TeachMeet. Okay, let us check it. Okay, also in a manual the steps are there. You can follow this step. You easily install the Java, it is JDK. The practical significances: Java is a popular platform which is used to develop various applications for the systems as well as embedded devices like mobile, laptop, tablets and many more. It is an object-oriented programming language. Students will be able to set up Java environment for executing the Java programs using command prompt or using different IDEs like Eclipse, JCreator, and test setup using the small Java program. So we use the command prompt. Okay, these are the program outcomes which are mapped with this first practical. First and second: basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practices, engineering tools, individual teamwork and communication. These are the competency and practical skills. Develop the applications applications using Java. The practical is executed to develop the following skills: set up the Java environment, execution of Java program, execute the simple program by setting the path variable. In that said as the you completely the execution of setup of Java program and use the small program done it, then your practical will be created. Course outcome: which course outcome will be mapped with develop programs using object oriented programming methodologies in Java. The practical outcomes in this, after this practical, what you will be able to that set up for Java programming and execute the small program. Minimum theoretical background there: Java language is the compiler and interpreter. Okay, these are the diagram, Java program execution. Okay, I am already in a theory parts. I am showing the diagram for build the Java program in execution. The same as means first of all editor. Okay, editor we used. Which editor we used? That a notepad. Okay, after that on that editor your source code will be typed that. Okay, that are compiled, Java compiled. that Java compiled are converted into source codes to bytecode. Okay, after that you run the program, means Java interpreter. Okay, on that byte means or Java interpreter are the convert that the bytecode to machine code and execute the program, means output will be get that application output. Before that bytecode, the Java debugger, okay, JDB, that tools are to find out the any error will be, all that error will be created there, then showing, we remove that, and after that run that Java interpreter run it, and our application output will be get that. This is the program, Java program execution. How to program will be execution in through Java language. Okay, after that this is the procedure. We saw how to JDK will be installed. Same simple is that. First of all, your JDK is downloaded. In that set as the JDK 1.4 onwards. I am to giving the JDK 1.8. Okay, 7, 8, whatever. Okay, you take it. Any advance also you want, then take it. No problem. This setup is simply double click. After that follow next. After that complete. Finish that. After that in a command prompt open that and check it. Type the command as a Java space hyphen version. That time the message will be displayed this like. Okay, when Java is installed, this message is not display. This path is not set that time this instruction will be followed. Go to in control panel. After that in advanced tab, environment variable, on that edit, on that part will be edit. Okay, go to the C program files, Java bin, that part will that path will be copied and then paste it. Okay, that class path will be set there. This through you complete your setup for the Java, that is JDK. Okay, next it is said as the using Eclipse you also install it. Okay, you use the using Windows. Okay, after that testing setup using small program. Okay, we set the small program and execute that. Okay, first of all open the notepad, write the program called Java source code in a notepad, save the file name .java in some directory. Is that okay? After that file name must be same as the class name containing the main method. Okay, which file name will be giving in a class, sorry, in a program which class name is be used, that name will be given to the file name, because that Java is checked that using that name through. Okay, so must be class name and file name will be same. Okay, the ms-dos prompt means command prompt will be open, change the directory. When your program are there, that will be directory will be change that and compile with the Java file name .java and run it Java file name. Okay, run that. Using Eclipse you also create the program and compile and run that, execute that. Okay, now we create this sample program. Okay, I am to showing that. First of all I am open to notepad. I am typing these statements, the program. Okay, class in there said as the hello world. Okay, public static void main string args system dot out dot println is the small This is in your C how to in a scan printf is used for printing purpose. In that system.out.println this statement is used that welcome to hello world program. Okay, so that in that too. Okay, and save this program. I am saving in a particular folder. For example, which location you want, that location will be open that. Okay, what is our class name? Hello world. Okay, dot java. Okay, save that. Close. I'm checking, I'm showing to how to this is hello world java. Okay, now open the command prompt. Okay, when you install the java, that time so that you check the java hyphen okay or 1.8 java will be installed. Okay, now first of all we set the path. Okay, our program where in the this location. Okay, this location will be first of all copy that. Okay, in that first of all in which drive, in D drive, so give the D drive, which change the directory using the cd command is used for the change the directory, because our in which directory our program will be save that through we run it. Okay, go to in a D drive. Okay, after that and set the path, copy that, paste that, control V. So now I will set the path, means our program where in that java, sorry, in that program one folder, so we set that this path. Now we compile that. How to compile? Java C tools are there, that sorry that tools are used. Java C, for that our program name, what is that program name? Hello world. So do the hello world dot java. Any error will be created, then the display it, otherwise compile that program. Okay, check now, wait, error will be created. Okay, this like errors are there. Okay, in that public static class hello world dot java. Okay, check that in notepad file where not to use the public. Public static void main system or under and again check that compile that. And not use the public keyword, so error will be created. Means what, that class interface or enum is accepted for that in that dislike. Okay, this error. Okay, when we compile that, means what, up convert the code into the byte code. Okay, after that any error will be created, then displayed. Okay, no any error, then that program will be successfully compiled. That now we interpret it, means run that program. How to run? Using Java tool, means give the Java after that file name. Okay, now enter, our output will be displayed. Welcome to Hello World program. This is our output. Clear that? How to run the program? This will be the output will be displayed. This is a simple program. Okay. For that, these are the resources required. Fill that information. JDK is used that in that write your computer information. Okay, and any other resources, command prompt, notepad. Okay, JDK software is used so that write down, return that. Okay, after that these are the practical related questions are there, that are write installation directory path of your directory. Okay, means what, in that write your installation directory path. When you install the JDK, that time what is the path that. Okay, by default our Java is installed in a C drive, so path will be the C program file Java JDK 1. Which are the 1.7 1.8, after that bin. Okay, these are the path. Okay, so go to that C drive, after that go to in a folder program files, after the Java JDK and bin. That above path will be the write down. Means what, I am showing that our path will be where, C drive program files, Java bin, JDK and bin. Okay, this path will be write down. This is your first answer. After that, write value of path environment variable. Same path environment variable also the control panel, same paths are there. One another thinking showing to you, when we hello world program will be executed, after that class file will be generated. This is the class file. Okay, the class file. Okay, go to control panel. Your second question answer. Between system protection canvas value path is the C program JDK 1.6. This path. Okay, same as that path, that will be written. Your second answer. Okay, in that ask na, what is the environment variable path, same as that. C, after that Java, Bean, that's like that. List the folder created after the installation. That's what is the said as the list the folder created after the installation. After that, which the folders will be created, that go to that and check it and then write down. Next question, main method is declared as a static. Justify. After that, program is named with the class containing main method. Justify means what? In that justify the why the program name and class name is the same. After in that justify the why the declare the static. Okay, these are the practical related questions. After that, exercise questions are there. Okay, write the options provided by the following JDK tools along with their use. Write down their use in a lecture part. These are the completed it. In this also, these both questions are also completed in a lecture. Okay, why the static will be declared and the what is the same, both the name are why is same. Okay, or otherwise you search that and write the answer. That this is the use the options, sorry, use that tools. Okay, also this also completed in a lecture part. After that, write the versions of the JDK. Okay, after that, test the setup using the similar programs. Just use the another one program and check that. Okay, we display the what Java, sorry, welcome to hello world program message will be displayed. You display your name. Okay, test the program, same program, only for change that in a output window. In the system.out.println, change the message. Your name will be your main will be written, sorry, your name will be written that, and in a output window check that. I am to showing that. Save. Command prompt. Okay. SIT message will be displayed. I am displaying the SIT. You display your full name. Okay. This is your third question. Next exercise. Okay. This is your list of student team members. Complete your practical number 1 and 2. Okay, from to next practical session we start the next practical. Okay, in this practical any doubts are created, then contact with me, no problem. Thank you.